Now let's say if you want to create a pivot table, then what you have to do is just go to insert and then go to pivot table, and there you will see various options: named range, current selection, and then data source registered in calc. You can choose the current selection because we already have selected the data. If there is huge amount of data, then maybe it is not possible to select the data. In that case, you'll be choosing the first option, which is named range. So over here we are through, so we can just click on current selection, which is automatically done by calc. So here we are seeing all four columns. So let's say we want to summarize the data by name, so you just drag it from there to here, and then let's say we want to summarize the data and put the values of EID in front of each of the unique names. So just drag it towards here and then click on OK. A new worksheet will open with the data, which basically would sum up for all the unique values. So here we are having these values. Now we are seeing that we have let's say 342 for Gaurav. Is it the same as that? Yes, it is. Now let's say we want to add one more Gaurav to this, and this would be, let's say, USA, but the value would be 230. So now if you will try to update this data, then for that you first of all try doing refresh, but it won't work, right? So the issue is that we have to expand the current selection, and for that you have to go to properties, go to this option, and here change the selection. So remove the old selection and then go to the sheet again and select the data. Now click on OK. Now is the data refreshed? It is. So now as you can see, it is 572. Earlier it was only 342. If you will further change it to, let's say, 300, so it should be 642. But if you will try to refresh this, now it has become 642. So this is how you basically create a pivot table and make changes to it.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.